Most people get digital wallets in the UAE completely wrong, and that mistake can cost them time, money, and a lot of frustration. Here's the truth no one tells you. Not all wallets in the UAE are built the same, and choosing the wrong one can lead to hidden fees, payment failures, or even limited access when you need it most. In this video, you are going to discover the 7 best digital wallets in the UAE for 2026. You will learn which wallets are best for everyday spending, which ones are best for international transfers, which ones give you the best rewards, and which ones you should avoid depending on your lifestyle. And the best part is this: you do not need to be a finance expert. Even if you are new to digital payments, this guide will make everything simple and practical. Now, let's start. Before we jump into the list, you need to understand something important. A digital wallet is basically a mobile app that lets you store money, pay bills, transfer funds, and sometimes even manage loyalty rewards. In the UAE, digital payments are growing fast, especially in cities like Dubai and Abu Dhabi, where cashless transactions are becoming the norm. Now here's where it gets interesting. The UAE has both local bank-based wallets and international fintech wallets. Each one serves a different purpose. Let's start with number 1. Apple Pay. Apple Pay is one of the most widely used digital wallets in the UAE, especially among iPhone users. Imagine someone like Alex living in Dubai. He goes to a coffee shop, taps his phone, and pays instantly without even opening his wallet. That is the power of Apple Pay. It is fast, secure, and widely accepted across malls, restaurants, and transport systems in the UAE. But here's the problem. Apple Pay depends on your bank card. So if your bank does not support it, you cannot use it. Also, it does not store money directly. It just connects to your bank. Now let's move to number 2, Google Pay. Google Pay is another popular option, especially for Android users in the UAE. Let's say Jake is an expat working in Abu Dhabi. He wants a simple way to pay for groceries and send money to friends. Google Pay makes that very easy. It offers strong security, fast payments, and smooth integration with most UAE banks. Now here's where it gets interesting. Google Pay also supports online payments, not just in-store tap payments. That makes it very versatile. But here's the limitation. Like Apple Pay, it still depends on your linked bank account. It is not a standalone wallet. Now let's talk about number 3, Samsung Pay. Samsung Pay is especially useful for Samsung users because it works on a wider range of payment terminals, including older machines that do not support NFC. For example, John might be shopping in a small local store in Sharjah. Even if the machine is not modern, Samsung Pay can still work because it supports magnetic secure transmission in some devices. That gives it an advantage over other wallets. But here's the catch. It only works on Samsung devices, so your choice is limited by your phone brand. Now let's move to number 4. Emirates NBD Pay. This is one of the strongest local banking wallets in the UAE. Emirates NBD Pay is connected directly to one of the biggest banks in the region. That means high trust, strong security, and seamless integration with your bank account. Imagine Emily, a resident in Dubai, who already uses Emirates NBD for her salary account. She can manage payments, transfers, and bills directly through the app without needing third-party services. Now here's where it gets interesting. Local bank wallets like this often offer better integration for salaries and bill payments than global apps. But the downside is that it is limited to customers of that bank. Now let's go to number 5, Careem Pay. Careem Pay is part of the Careem Super App ecosystem, which is widely used in the UAE for rides, food delivery, and payments. Let's say Alex takes a Careem ride, orders food, and pays bills all from one app. That convenience is what makes Careem Pay powerful. It is especially useful for everyday lifestyle payments. Now here's the advantage. Careem Pay often offers cashback and rewards for using its services. But here's the limitation. It is more lifestyle focused, so it may not replace a full banking wallet for everyone. Now let's move to number 6, STC Pay UAE. STC Pay is originally from Saudi Arabia, but has expanded into the UAE market. It is designed for easy money transfers, bill payments, and remittances. For example, Jake, who sends money regularly to family in another country, finds SEC Pay very useful because it offers competitive transfer rates. Now here's where it gets interesting. It is especially popular among expats because of its low-cost international transfers. But the downside is that it is still expanding in the UAE, so acceptance is not as wide as Apple Pay or Google Pay. Now let's move to number 7, Payit by Fab. Payit is the digital wallet from First Abu Dhabi Bank, one of the largest banks in the UAE. This wallet is very strong in terms of local use cases. You can send money instantly, pay bills, and even split expenses with friends. Imagine John going out for dinner with friends. Instead of calculating cash or bank transfers, he just uses Payit to split the bill instantly. Now, here's the interesting part. Payit also supports international remittances, which makes it useful for expats. But here's the limitation. It is mainly focused on UAE residents, so global usage is limited. Now let's step back and understand something important. Not all digital wallets serve the same purpose. Some are designed for convenience, some for banking, and some for lifestyle rewards. This is where most people make mistakes. They install one wallet and expect it to do everything. But the smart approach is to use multiple wallets for different needs. For example, Alex might use Apple Pay for daily shopping, Kareem Pay for transport and food, and Payit for bank transfers. This combination gives him full control. Now let's talk about how to choose the right wallet. First, think about compatibility. Your phone and your bank matter. Second, think about usage. Do you want daily payments, international transfers, or salary management? Third, think about fees. Some wallets charge for transfers or currency exchange, so always check before using. Now here's a simple breakdown. If you want the easiest everyday payment option, Apple Pay or Google Pay is best. If you want strong banking integration, Emirates NBD Pay or Payit is better. If you want lifestyle rewards, Kareem Pay is useful. If you want low-cost transfers, STC Pay is a good option. Now let's quickly talk about safety. Digital wallets in the UAE are very secure, but user behavior matters more than technology. Never share your OTP. Never click suspicious links. Always update your apps. And always use biometric authentication when possible. Now let's summarize everything. You learned the 7 best digital wallets in the UAE for 2026. Apple Pay for speed and convenience. Google Pay for Android users. Samsung Pay for wider device compatibility. Emirates NBD Pay for banking integration. Kareem Pay for lifestyle rewards. SEC Pay for international transfers. And Payit for strong local financial control. Each wallet has a purpose. The key is not choosing one but choosing the right combination for your lifestyle. If you use them correctly, you can save time, reduce fees, and make your financial life much easier. Now I want to hear from you. Which digital wallet are you currently using in the UAE? Or which one are you planning to try? Share it in the comments. If this video helped you understand digital wallets in a simple way, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because in the next video, we are going to break down how to optimize your digital payments to save even more money every month.